Hey guys, it's Girly again and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about the top 8 items on my beauty kit. So without further ado, let's jump onto our first item. Omni White Bubble Cleanser is a product of JC Premier. It uses oxygen bubble technology to revitalize and detoxify your skin. The color black is not a black bottle which everyone thought. It just contains 100% natural bamboo charcoal that minimizes your pores and eliminates your blackheads, whiteheads, and your dead skin cells. It also contains glutathione and other minerals that has an immediate brightening effect. Also some moisturizer to smoothen and soften your skin. It is hypoallergenic and proves to be very effective in the first week of use. Next, after cleansing my face, the Korean Glass Skin Serum by Bezo. This is an anti-aging and anti-inflammatory serum that sinks in quickly onto your skin, leaving behind just dewy and glassy skin. I just started using this and I'm looking forward to taking a selfie without needing any filter at all. Great, so together with the serum, I massage my face using a DRS or what we call the derma roller system. It has some high-graded microneedles that open up your pores to allow them to absorb the nutrients from the skincare products that we apply. I believe this is a must-have when you want to prevent aging and wrinkles on your face. Another must-have when after using your roller, it will sting a little because of your open pores. So you will need a moisturizer or a cream to relax your skin. For me, I use Jeju Aloe Ice Aloe Soothing Gel Lotion. Thanks to my sister for giving me this. Can you please subscribe to her channel? So that's it for my skincare, and now we talk about my everyday makeup products. First one is our Unicorn Cushion by Nicara Products. Who doesn't love unicorns, right? Aside from being so cute and very fascinating packaging, this unicorn cushion is a high coverage cushion foundation that blends easily onto my skin. Again, thanks to my sister's white complexion, the fair shade is now mine. N668 is just perfect for my skin. Now, for a very simple everyday makeup, I use a very pigmented, organic, and blendable Luna Clay Blush. This is an affordable blush on and a little goes a long way, so it's definitely a money saver. Next one is my favorite among my favorites. And that is the Korean Lip Tint by Puda Cosmetics. Aside from it having a very elegant packaging, it is also giving my lips a natural, matte, lovely color that lasts longer and make me feel confident the whole day. Again, a little goes a long way as it's very pigmented and blendable. Shade fits my favorite everyday look. Yeah. Have you ever wanted to have a high cheekbone? How about a pointed nose? Well, who doesn't? Unfortunately, I wasn't so active when God spread those blessings. That is why this last but not the least product is always the #1 favorite among my favorites. Product by JCat Beauty PH, You Glow Girl Bake Highlighter. I can't leave the house without this. So that's it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. If you're new to this channel, please click on the subscribe button down below and click also the bell button to be notified of all my upcoming videos. Thanks for watching. I hope I'll see you in my next videos. Cheers, guys!